Quick tutorial. Implementing and managing local administrator password solution. Laughs from Microsoft Entra ID. Brief explanation. The local administrator password solution LEFS allows secure management of local administrator passwords on devices by automatically generating, storing, and rotating unique passwords. Microsoft Entra ID integrates LAFs, making it easier to manage these passwords and enhance security. This guide covers the essential steps for enabling and managing LAPs using Microsoft Entra ID and Intune. Step 1. Enable LAPs in Microsoft Entra ID 1. Sign in to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center, https://entra.microsoft.com, using your Cloud Device Administrator credentials. 2. Navigate to Identity, Devices Overview, Device Settings. 3. In the Device Settings section, locate the Enable Local Administrator Password Solution, LAS, option. 4. Toggle the setting to Yes and click Save. Step 2. Configure client-side policies via Microsoft Intune. 1. Go to the Microsoft Intune Admin Center, it's endpoint.microsoft.com. 2. In the left-hand menu, go to Devices, Configuration Profiles, Create Profile. 3. Select Windows 10 and later as the platform. 4. Choose Templates, Local Admin Password Solution. 5. Configure the settings. Define the local administrator account name. Set the password expiration policy. Specify password complexity, length, and enable manual password resets if needed. 6. Save the profile. Step 3. Assign the policy 1. Once the profile is created, assign the policy to the desired groups or devices. 2. Ensure the policy is applied to all enrolled Windows 10 11 devices by selecting the appropriate groups, e.g. user groups, device groups. 3. Click Save to confirm the assignments. Step 4. Recover local administrator password. 1. To retrieve a local administrator password, sign in to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. 2. Navigate to Identity, Devices, All Devices. 3. Select the desired device from the list. 4. Click Show Local Administrator Password to view the password securely. Step 5. Monitor and audit LAP. 1. Use the Microsoft Entra Admin Center or the Microsoft Graph API to view logs related to password management.